Welcome to Career Journeys, a series of videos by the Consortium for Public Education. Here we explore the career experiences and pathways of professionals from a wide variety of careers to help you think about the skills you'll need and the paths you might take after high school.
Hello, my name is Austin Anderson, Business Development Officer with the Forum for Workforce Development, a collaborator with the Consortium for Public Education. Today we're interviewing Sarah Rossi, a chemist from DMI Companies, as part of our Career Journeys video series to share insights into a professional's pivotal experiences and career pathways. Thank you for joining us, Sarah.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me about your company and your role there. What do you do as a chemist at DMI Companies?
So as a chemist, I'm in the sealants and adhesives department there. So a lot of quality control testing, formulating.
What kind of tests do you do with the sealants and adhesives there?
We have 14 main tests that we like to run on all our products to make sure they're within spec. So some of those include viscosity, so how thick or thin is our product, to make sure it's within our specifications, testing the flexibility of our sealants. We also do density to make sure it's within range, things along those lines.
Why did you ultimately choose this kind of work?
Okay, so I like the fact that there's so many different avenues you can go with chemistry. Originally, I wanted to be a pharmacist. Job shadowed that out, wasn't feeling it. So then I still wanted to, get my chemistry degree, but then I wanted to be a vet. Job shadowed that, wasn't feeling it. so then I decided, you know what, I'm going to be a chemist, and I love it. Every day is something different. It's not the same repetitive thing over and over, which I like to switch things up.
So going into your day-to-day life, what does a typical day-to-day look like as a chemist for DMI?
So normally, I'll come in the morning, I'll check my email just to make sure, nothing pressing happened overnight that I need to take care of that day. But then I'll head back to the lab, run some quality control tests, or if we're testing a new product, or if we're doing a new product and we're making a pilot batch, then I'll be out on the plant assisting production just in case they have a question, since it will be new material, to assist them. And then daily meetings and lab reports and all the documentation after the testing.
So emphasizing on the skills, what other skills make you particularly good at your job?
I would say being able to multitask. So I work on multiple projects throughout the day. So it's important to be able to realize, I have some time here, I'm going to do this. Or I have a little bit more time here, I'm going to work on this today. And then also being a team player, because all our decisions as a company are team-based daily. You have to be good at problem solving, because things will come up during the day where it's like, well, this has never happened before. We have to think of something. So yeah, I would say those few characteristics, those are important to help you throughout the day, so you're not struggling constantly.
What kind of things should a student in high school do, whether it's extracurricular or in academics? What activities can they do to help prepare for a career in your field?
You take chemistry classes. That's what I started out doing, actually. Took just like the general chemistry, and then they had another chemistry class. So I was like, I'm really interested in this. I want to get to learn this a little bit more. But then also job shadowing. Honestly, taking a look at your personality, I think helps a lot, because you are back in the lab. Sometimes you're by yourself for 4 or 5 hours. So if you're more of a personable type of person, it might not be the right choice for you. Or if you like being by yourself and working on your activities, then it's perfect for that. That's also why I like it, because it's kind of have that balance between having some time by myself and then also being to interact with people. And it's just not constantly interacting with people.
What questions should people ask themselves if they are considering a career in your field?
So, a career in my field, I would say, do you want a job that varies every day and kind of keeps you on your toes and you get to constantly keep learning? Because that's what I enjoy most. Yes, school is great. Yes, you need it, but being in the field, it doesn't compare to it. It doesn't. And so I've learned so much since I've been here. I've only been here for a little over a year, and it's unbelievable how much knowledge that I've gained already.
What's one piece of advice you would give to anyone aspiring to be in your field or position?
Go for it. Don't let anything stop you. I mean, even if you fail a class while you're taking chemistry courses, don't let that stop you. Retake it. If it's truly what you want to do, you'll get it done.
Well, Sarah, thank you for taking some time to tell us about your career journeys.
Thank you.
For more information or to learn about other careers in the Career Journey series, visit our website and check back soon for our next installment. Thanks!